Hello friends, I am Priya from Evergreen Garden. In today's episode, we will learn how often do you water your indoor plants? Are you unsure when it is the best time to do so? If so, I have put all the information for you into this post. Friends, indoor plants should be watered in the morning so that they can dry out when the sun is high in the sky. If the soil is still wet, wait till the next day before watering again. First, we will look into the table of contents we should be covered in this episode. First, why should I water my indoor plants in the morning? Second, how much water does an indoor plant need per day? Third, how do you know if you are overwatering your indoor plants? And last but not the least, final thoughts. Why should I water my indoor plants in the morning? Watering indoor plants in the morning when they are dry is better than water it's dark. This way, water doesn't stay on leaves overnight where it can encourage fungal infections to occur. Also, when you do this at a time when there is less sun exposure, the soil will take longer for moisture levels to drop too low. You may have heard that when the sun is lower in the sky, warmer temperatures will evaporate water from the soil more quickly. This can be true to a certain degree with some plants, but it's really all about how often you need to water your potted plant and what type of pot they are planted in. Plastic or glazed pot will hold water for much longer than, say, a terracotta one. If you do water when it's dark, make sure to only water the roots. Watering when it's dark could cause leaf burn, which can lead to the spread of fungal disease and root rot. So make sure you water in the morning when they are dry. It's probably best not to be watering when temperatures are below freezing, as this will damage your plant and can put them in shock. If they are already starting to show signs of wilting, don't worry. When you are watering again the next time, they will normally perk back up. And the second content is how much water does an indoor plant need per day. This will depend on a variety of different factors, including water type of pot they are in and whether or not the plant is growing. The best thing to do when you are unsure about how much water your indoor plants need per day is to simply check them by digging your finger into their soil every few days. If it's dry down at least an inch, it's time to water. For humidity loving houseplants such as ferns and English ivy that likes their roots wet but also enjoy dry air between drinks, it is time to water when the soil is dry but about 1 inch. This type of house plants appreciate a humid atmosphere. And the third important content is how do you know if you are overwatering your indoor plants? If you have been following these two advice from above, when it comes to overwatering your indoor plants, overwatering your house plants is something that can be easily prevented. However, if they are already too wet for too long and their roots start rotting, you will notice when your indoor plants turn yellow and begin to drop leaves. If your plants become waterlogged, they will not be able to access nutrients from their roots, and this can cause yellowing leaves as well as a decline in the overall health of the plant. If you once overwatered your plants, it's also worth checking the roots for white mold on them, which is a sign that the potting mix has been sitting in water too long. This can cause damage or even kill the plant. And the final thoughts are, if you are looking for ways to keep your indoor plants healthy, be sure to water them in the morning. This way they can dry out when it's sunny outside and there won't be any chance of fungal infection occurring or leaves that are wet overnight. Thank you, friends.